In this video, I will show you how to use a protractor to measure an angle. So first thing, notice that the protractor has a circle. You want to line up this circle with this point here. That point's called the vertex. Second, you have this line here. You want to line up that line with that one. So do that. So now they're lined up. You see this? You see how this is lined up? Okay. Now the second thing is you have to decide, do you use the numbers on the top or the numbers on the bottom? Here, since this is our starting point, it makes sense to use the numbers on the outside. So here this angle measures, if I look carefully, 50 is this big one. So this angle seems to measure 49 degrees. So 1 before 50. So that's 49 degrees. So this angle here measures 49 degrees. Let me show you one more time. All right, you see that? 49 degrees. Let me show you another example. How about this over here? How about this angle? Again, I'm gonna line up this circle with the vertex, and then make sure that this line matches this line over there. And here, since this is my starting point, for this case, it makes sense to use the numbers on the inside. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. And it goes all the way to 120, and it goes past 120. So I know that this line right there, that's the 120, and it's 2 more beyond it. So that comes out to be 122 degrees. So this angle here is 122 degrees.